Now new and improved, Lippincott Connect delivers a rich learning solution for your classroom through trusted content, engaging visuals, and interactive tools. A powerfully integrated digital learning solution, Lippincott Connect combines assessment, virtual simulations, real-time data, and the most trusted educational content on the market to make learning more efficient. Based on market research and developed with feedback from hundreds of instructors and thousands of students, Lippincott Connect is designed to improve critical thinking skills and develop strong clinical judgment to prepare for practice. Lippincott Connect provides students with digital tools, including interactive e-texts, 3D anatomy tours, clinical videos, adaptive test questions, case studies, and much more. With multimedia content and customizable assignments, Lippincott Connect strengthens comprehension and retention of concepts, setting students up for success in their chosen professions. Lippincott Connect provides valuable feedback to students and key insights to educators. This, in turn, helps students and instructors to more efficiently utilize their study and lecture time, respectively. With Lippincott Connect, instructors and students gain a customized, all-in-one learning solution, combining assessment, multimedia content, and unparalleled insights. Contact your Wolters Kluwer sales representative to learn how Lippincott Connect can meet your needs.